Hello! Today I will show you how to activate Hey Google function of your Google Assistant on your HOTWAV T5 Pro. First, go into Settings. Scroll down. Go into Google tab. Scroll down again. Go into Settings for Google Apps. Go into Search Assistant and Voice. Scroll down again and go into Google Assistant. Finally, go into Hey Google and Voice Match. And simply turn it on. You will have to agree. And simply press Next. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Remember to comment, hit like and subscribe.